Welcome to your complete guide on building an emergency fund from scratch. Today, you'll learn exactly how to create your financial safety net, even if you're on a tight budget. An emergency fund is one of the most important financial tools you can have, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start building yours today. Let's dive into this step-by-step process that will give you peace of mind and financial security. An emergency fund is a dedicated savings account that covers 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses. Think of it as your financial safety net for unexpected events like job loss, medical bills, or major car repairs. This money sits separate from your regular checking account and is only used for true emergencies. The key word here is essential expenses, which means the basic costs you need to survive, not your entertainment or luxury spending. There are two major reasons why everyone needs an emergency fund. First, it gives you incredible peace of mind. When you know you're prepared for life's surprises, you can sleep better at night and feel more confident about your financial future. Second, it helps you avoid debt. Without an emergency fund, unexpected expenses often go on credit cards or require loans, which can trap you in a cycle of high-interest debt that's hard to escape. The first step is calculating exactly how much you need to save. Start by listing all your essential monthly expenses. This includes rent or mortgage, utilities like electricity and water, groceries, transportation costs, and minimum debt payments. Add up these essential costs to get your monthly survival number. Then multiply this amount by 3 for your initial goal, and eventually work towards 6 months of expenses for maximum security. Let's look at a real example. Say your monthly essential expenses are $1,200 for rent, $400 for groceries, $150 for utilities, and $250 for transportation. Your total monthly expenses would be $2,000. This means your emergency fund goal should be between $6,000 and $12,000, representing 3 to 6 months of expenses respectively. Now you need to find money to save each month. Start by tracking your expenses using apps or a simple spreadsheet to identify where your money actually goes. You'll likely discover spending leaks you didn't realize existed. Next, cut non-essential expenses. Cancel unused subscriptions, reduce dining out, and look for cheaper alternatives for things like phone plans or streaming services. Even small cuts can add up to significant savings. The secret to successful emergency fund building is automation. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate high-yield savings account. This removes the temptation to spend the money elsewhere. Start small with just $25 to $50 per week if that's all you can manage. Treat this transfer like a non-negotiable bill that must be paid. As your income grows or you find more savings, increase the automatic transfer amount. Your emergency fund is your financial foundation and the cornerstone of financial security. Remember, the most important step is to start today, no matter how small the amount. Stay consistent with your savings plan and watch your security grow month by month. Every dollar you save brings you closer to true peace of mind. Don't wait for the perfect time or a higher income. Start building your emergency fund right now, and your future self will thank you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.